Welcome to the chapter on ethics and social implications of computing. In this chapter, we will explore the ethical considerations and social impacts associated with computing technologies. Let's dive in. Ethics and social implications of computing. Computing technologies play a vital role in our lives, influencing individuals, organizations, and society as a whole. It is crucial to understand and address the ethical implications and social consequences that arise from the use of these technologies. Privacy and security. Privacy and security are fundamental aspects of computing. They involve protecting personal information and ensuring the responsible use and handling of data. Definition and importance of privacy. Privacy refers to an individual's right to control the collection, use, and disclosure of their personal information. It is essential for maintaining autonomy, personal freedom, and trust in digital systems. Privacy laws and regulations aim to safeguard individuals' privacy rights and establish guidelines for data handling. Data privacy issues. Data collection and storage. The increasing amount of data collected by organizations raises concerns about the extent and purpose of data collection. It is important to consider the implications of collecting and storing vast amounts of personal information. Data breaches and hacking. Unauthorized access to data and cyberattacks pose significant threats to privacy. Data breaches can lead to identity theft, financial losses, and reputational damage. Security measures. Encryption and authentication. Encryption techniques convert data into a coded form that can only be accessed with the correct decryption key. Authentication methods verify the identity of users to ensure authorized access. Access controls and firewalls. Access controls restrict user access based on roles and permissions. Firewalls act as a barrier between internal and external networks, filtering network traffic to prevent unauthorized access. Thank you for joining us in exploring the ethics and social implications of computing. If you found this chapter informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on computing ethics and related topics.